Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Knit Roblox. Knit is a robust framework designed to streamline your Roblox game development by providing a clear structure for client-server interactions. It helps organize your code into manageable components, making your projects easier to scale and maintain. To begin, you'll need to integrate the Knit framework into your Roblox Studio project, typically by adding its main module to your game. Knit primarily organizes your game logic into three core components: services, controllers, and shared modules. Services are dedicated to handling all server-side operations, such as data storage and game mechanics. Controllers, on the other hand, manage everything on the client side, including user interface updates and player input. Shared modules contain code that both the client and server need to access, ensuring consistency across your game. Let's build a simple Knit service. You'll create a new module script inside a folder named Services within your Knit structure. This module will contain functions that execute exclusively on the server. For instance, you might create a player data service to handle saving and loading player data, ensuring secure and reliable storage. These services are the backbone of your game's server-side logic, performing critical operations behind the scenes. Now, let's see how clients interact with these services using controllers. From a client-side controller, you can easily call functions defined in your server-side services. For example, a client might request to update a player's score by calling a function on the player data service. Conversely, services can also send events back to the client, allowing for real-time updates and dynamic gameplay. This seamless communication is a cornerstone of Knit's design.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.